homework. It's a continuation of the notes today. Most students should be able to look at this. First, when you're sliding the parallelogram to different places, you're performing performing translation of the parallelogram. Translation is a transformation of sliding. I think we talked about this. Okay, each point to a figure, sliding left to right. We did that. Image. The new figure created from the translation is called an image. The original figure is called the preimage. So I need you to remember that the preimage, that's the original figure. That should make sense. So this here is called the preimage. Okay, just to let you know. Look at the triangle shown on the coordinate plane. List the ordered pair of the vertices of triangle ABC. Okay, so this symbol here means triangle right there. So list the ordered pairs. This one is 4. Sorry. This one is 4, 2. A should start with A first. It's 1, 2. B is 2, 4. Okay. So when you got this type of problem, always list the ordered pair first. Okay. Translate triangle ABC -6 unit vertically. Now vertically is this way. So this way is the y. So whatever it is, you're subtracting y because it's vertical. We're subtracting y. Remember, see, this is a vertical line right here. I'll highlight it so you can see what I'm talking about. That's a vertical line. So we're minusing y by 6. -6 units vertically. Trace the new triangle and label A, B, C with the prime in there. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to write the ordered pair because, like I tell you, I'm really bad with seeing space, so I like to work with numbers. Triangle A was vertex A was 1, 2. Vertex B was 2, 4. And vertex C is 4, 2. Remember, these are called vertex right here. Okay. Now, the new one, A prime, is the first image. We're changing y -6 to all of them -6 because we got vertical right there, -6. Let me color a different color. -6 to the vertical. So y -6 is right there. So then therefore it's 1 y -6, so 2 -6 is -4. B is 2 and 4. 4 -6 is -2. C is 4 and 2 -6 is -4. So I'm going to, I forgot the prime symbol there. Going to use that to graph 1 -4, 1 -4, 2 -2, 2 -2, and 4 -4 right there. I'm going to graph that, connect them. Oh, and it's important to label because it says label here the vertices. Okay, so this is 1 -4 is A prime. 2, -2 is B prime, and C prime right there. Okay, and check and make sure they look similar. They should be congruent. Now I need you to know this word, congruent. Okay, check to make sure your triangles. Honey, can you close the door or turn that water off? Honey, close my door or turn that water off. Congruent. Check and make sure they're congruent. That means the triangles, they're the same shape and same side. Same side. They're exactly the same shape and size. Okay? Now that's a preimage. This is called an image of the preimage. So this is an image, the first image. Okay, that's called an image. Okay, B, translate -6 horizontally. So translate triangle ABC -6 horizontal. Horizontal is this way, and the horizontal line here is X. So just to see what I'm talking about, see the green mark I marked on there? Horizontal line is the X. So horizontally is X. So I'm going to subtract X by 6. So let's start with the original. Point A was 1, 2. B, the preimage point, 2, 4. And C is 4, 2. So the preimage point, you use this information here. You -6, -6 horizontally. So that is, horizontal is the x-axis. So you do x minus 6, x minus 6 here, and this is x, so that's x minus 6. So with x minus 6 then, they're doing A double prime, triangle A double prime. So A double prime is 1 minus 6, which is -5, and 2. B double prime is, put the 2 there, that's -4 and 4. C, this is C, and C double prime is, put 4 there, that is -2 and 2. Now I'm going to graph that. -5, -5, 2. -5, 2 is up here. Okay, and that's -4, that's -5. -4, 4. -4, 4. And -2, 2. Connect the dots and double check to make sure they're congruent. They look congruent, means the same size, same shape, same length. This is image, another image. Okay, and then we need to write A double prime. Don't forget to write that because it says to and label. Trace the new triangle. That means draw the new triangle and label triangle A double prime like that. Okay? Write the rules. Oh, I forgot to write this. Of this vertices and list the ordered pair. Oh, this is the rules right here. Okay? That's the rule. Write the rule of each vertices and then list the ordered pair. These are the rules. The expressions are the rules. So basically the rule is x. The rule is x minus 6. The rule here, because it's a vertical, it's y. The rule is y minus 6. Okay, well, B double prime, it's right here. Get distracted, sorry. C double prime there. Okay? Translate 10 units. Translate ABC 10 units vertical. Now this is vertical right there. Vertical then is your Y. 10 units, that's a positive 10. And form triangle BDF. Okay, so what is the ordered pair corresponding vertices? Okay, we want to list the order. What would be the ordered pair of the corresponding vertices? Okay, let's start with the regular. A is 1, 2. B was 2, 4. C was 4, 2. Okay, that's our original preimage ordered pair. Now triangle D, this will be D, it's a 10 unit vertical shift. So that means 10 unit up on the Y. So here's our Y. It starts with a 2, 10 units. So what that 2 plus 10. Here's 4, 4 plus 10. Here's 2, 2. Okay, that would be Y plus 10. So the rule here is Y plus 10, okay? Whatever Y is, we add 10 to because it's a vertical. D is 1, 12 because 2 plus the 10, and then the E is 2, 14, C is 4, 12, okay? Oh, not C, D, E, F. They want you to use D, E, F. D, E, F. Double check so you don't make the mistake I've made. Okay? Now the next one is translate triangle, annotate 10 units, that's positive 10, horizontally. Horizontal line is like that, so that's the X line to form triangle GH, J. I'm writing it so I don't make careless mistakes, because you know Miss Wilcox likes to do that. I'm sure you can pick out some. Okay, triangle A is 1, 2. Triangle B, the preimage is 2, 4. Triangle C, the preimage is 4, 2. Now, horizontal is to the X. Here are my X, okay? I'm going to add 10 to each of them. X plus 10, X plus 10, and X plus 10. That's the rule. So that gives you 11 and 2, 12 and 4, 10, 14 and 2 are your ordered pairs. What are the ordered pair for the corresponding vertex? Okay. Same thing here on the third page you got there. Alright. List the ordered pair of the vertices on the trapezoid. So on your notes I tell you to list, but on the test I will give you a triangle and I will tell you the direction on what to do. Okay? So, and then tell you to label and tell you to trace it and label it prime A, prime B, prime C, prime D. And here I should have put double prime here. Forgot the 2 little dots. Typo. Okay? These are typos. I need to have those 2 little prime things. Alright. So this trapezoid, the original ordered pair for A, is 0, 1. I'm going to do it on the graph first just to make sure I'm right. B is 1, and right here is 2.5. 1 and 2.5. And here is C is 3 and 2.5. Okay, I'm going to erase all the other one, that line. And D is 5 and 1. Okay? So, -5 units. The first one says -5 units vertically. So vertical line is this way, therefore it's Y. We're changing Y by -5. Okay, so, and trace the new trapezoid label. Okay, so we want to label this A prime. We need to find B prime. I'm going to write smaller, sorry. A prime. We want to do B prime, C prime, and D prime. Oh, I need to write smaller, sorry. Okay. Our regular A is 0, 1. Our pre-image A. And it's also very important to check to make sure they're all congruent, right? I told you that. Sorry for moving this. Okay, B, your pre-image B is 1, 2.5. And your pre-image C is 3 and 2.5. And your pre-image D is 5, 1. Okay, so it's vertical, so we're changing the Y. So to every Y, we minus 5. It says so right there. Y minus 5, Y minus 5, and here Y minus 5. Okay, so substitute it in. 1 minus 5 is a negative 4. 0, negative 4. 2.5 minus 5 is a negative 2.5. 1, negative 2.5. 3 and 2.5 minus 5 is 2.5 negative. And 5 is the first. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And then graph it. As it says to label, trace it, label it, all that good stuff. So 0, negative 4. 0, negative 4 is right here. 1, negative 2.5 is right there. And this is A prime, this is B prime. C prime is 3, 2.5, which is here. And D prime is 5, negative 4, which is right here. Connect those dots. This is an image. It should be the exact image of the... Okay, I hope you guys draw straighter lines in this. I'm using my fingers here. Okay, it is exact. 1, 2, 3, 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Okay. B says negative 5 units. Translate trapezoid ABC negative 5 units horizontally. Horizontal is this way, and that's the X line. So A, I'm going to erase this, you guys. I know you can write smaller on your paper, but I can't. I have a hard time with my fingers. Okay, A is 0, 1. Oh, this is double prime. So A double prime, erase, B double prime, C double prime, D double prime. I want the ordered pairs for them. Alright, so here the original ordered pair is 1, B is 1 and 2.5, C is 3, 2.5, and D is, let's see, D, I erased it already. This is, oh no, this is D, 5, 1. Oh, I forgot to put here, don't forget, D prime is 5, negative 4. Make sure you label it because it says to label. Okay, so when you graph, you label. Okay, because it's horizontal, you need to do the x, change the x only, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 5. So 0 minus 5 is negative 5 and 1 there. And 1 minus 5 is negative 4, 2.5. And then 3 minus 5 is negative 2, 2.5. And 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1. Okay, let's graph that. A is negative 5, 1. Negative 5, 1 is right here. And we label that A double prime. Negative 4, 2.5. Negative 4, 2.5 is up here. And label that B double prime. And negative 2, 2.5 is right here. And label that C double prime. And 0, 1 is right here. Look, if I graph this, I got an odd looking shape that's not congruent to this. So I must have done something wrong. It looks like I did A double prime incorrectly. I'm going to erase. And then A double prime is negative 5, 1, negative 5, 1. Oh, I didn't go to the number. I was using the squares. So always check to see if it's congruent to the image, the pre-image. This is called the pre-image right here. Always check to see if it's congruent to the pre-image. This is the image. And this is D double prime. Okay. 10, okay, you guys know how to do this, right? Translate 10 vertically. Vertical is this way. Going 10, we're adding 10 to y. So it's going to be y plus 10, okay, for each one. What is this coloring label it D, E, F, and G. So our original A is 0, 1, B is 1, 2.5, C is 3, 2.5, and D is 5, 1, I believe. Yeah, 5, 1. Okay? Now, because it's vertical, it's the y. The vertical line is the y. So you y plus 10, y plus 10, y plus 10. I need to show work. Y plus 10 here. Okay? So we get 0, 11 for the first one, 1, 12.5, 3, 12.5, 5, 11. Okay, that should be easy. And then the other one is horizontal. Oh my goodness. It's the same thing, you guys. You can complete this on your own, right? Because this is horizontal units. You translate 10 because it's horizontal. You only add x to 10. Okay, and then you give me the ordered pair. Make sure, ooh, I didn't change this. This was Miss Wilcox's mistakes. This shouldn't be that. This should be like H-I-J-K right there. Okay. H, the vertices. H, ordered pair. I, ordered pair. J, ordered pair, K, ordered pair. Okay? That's recording 1. I know it's time to eat, but I'm 15 minutes.